Right. So welcome back to the new discussion point in my podcast, which is a non-covered service. How we can address this non-covered service in the lean way. That's what we are going to discuss now. See, the point is when the claim is getting denied as a non-covered, right? We have the denial codes are listed down, right? So we will go through the denial codes. What are all the denial codes we are going to see here? And I'm going to show my Excel sheet. Okay, if you didn't see the Excel sheet, please let me know. Okay, can you see my Excel sheet?
Yes, Rajesh, we can see
Yeah.
that.
So here I took only the non-covered services denial here, and here if you go back and then you can see what are all the denial codes. If you take denial code, there are majorly two different categories. One is CO, other one is PR. And what we had given is, we had given your category and the denial description, everything will be in detail available here. You can go through this and then based on that, you can take a call. Okay, now coming back to the same discussion point. Okay, so what I need to do, whenever I get anything denial as a non-cover service, how I know that? It is from the EOB, right? First, we will go and then check the EOB and identify whether it is a PR code or a CO code. Okay, if it is a PR code, what we need to do, we have to go back and then check that process and then we can move on, right? What is a prior payment? For example, the same patient, if I get a prior payment, what I'll do, I'll go back and then send this claim back for reprocess. If I didn't get any prior payment, what I'll do, I'll bill the patient straight away whenever the denial is a PR code. And sometimes the patient will have the secondary. What I can do, I can go ahead and then bill it to the secondary. Okay, that's why we need to do this particular denial. And the next one is if anything related to the provider contract, what we are trying to do, we are checking the prior payment. And then if any prior payment, we as usual, we are going to send it back for reprocess. If there is no prior payment, you have to check the prior the payer policies play a major role here, right? If you check the payer policy, okay, sometimes the policy will be mentioned very clearly. These are all non-covered services. Okay, see, it's not based upon your provider contract, but based upon their policy, medical policy. This is non-covered service. In that scenario, what you need to do, you have to take a global action. If policy is incorrect, say, and you don't find any policy, you have to call back the insurance and then send it back for reprocess or fix the process. Okay. How to implement lean in this particular one? Okay. What are all the things I can do to implement lean? So as we know that lean is nothing but giving a feedback to the respective process. Say, for example, if I decided my policy is correct and I have to take a global action, what I have to take, I'll add that into my pre-billing audit and this edit, add in the charge edit and then stop billing, right? If you bill, what will happen? It will going to deny the same way. And give a feedback to your client saying that your contract or the provider or the payer policy does not allow this code, so don't bill it. If you can stop this particular one, it will stop your non-covered service, and this is a lean way what we are discussing about. Right? This is the way we have to stop this particular denial.